Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Planto, Plant Identifier, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Planto is an AI-powered plant identification app designed to help users quickly identify plants by uploading photos. It offers detailed information about plant species, care instructions, and botanical facts, making it useful for gardeners, nature enthusiasts, and students. The app features a simple interface that delivers fast and accurate plant identification, with additional tools to help users learn about plant care. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users find Planto's identification feature reliable and appreciate the educational content provided. The app is easy to navigate and saves time for those wanting quick plant info. However, some users note that the app may struggle with less common or exotic plants, and advanced care advice may be limited. The free version covers basic identifications, but premium subscriptions are needed for full access to all features. In summary, the Planto app may be worth using if you want a quick and easy way to identify plants and get basic care tips without needing expert knowledge. However, if you require extensive gardening advice or comprehensive plant databases, you might find it somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.